Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Crypto Driving, I guess. My name is Skippy. It's not a good day, guys. Not a good day. I guess if you're a bear, it's a great day. And if you're also a bear, go F yourself. Sincerely signed, all the bulls. Not good right now. It is not an attack on crypto. Don't worry, guys. If you're looking at just crypto, or if you're just looking at just your one asset that you might hold, it's not. It's everything. Everything's on fire. Everything. If you look at the Dow is down 1.2%. The Nasdaq's down 1.5%. The TSX, Toronto Stock Exchange here in Canada, is down 1.5%. Everything is down. I saw only one stock in my whole watch list of about like 60 things that's just at zero. It's not at a loss right now. everything else is just bleeding, and I don't know what to tell you. This is definitely some FUD from one man, really. Again, FUD not towards a certain project or towards a certain market even. Everything's suffering right now. If you think it's just your Saitama, your Shiba, your Doge, your Jasmine, anything that you think it's just it, like, hell no, everything is down. I don't want to get into a super technical analysis because I don't have charts to show you, but just trust me, bro, kind of thing, you know. Always do your own research. I'll put some links up to some fine articles for today, but right now the FUD is coming from Russia. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Putin came out and kind of had some ominous shit to say in his V-Day speech. Now their V-Day is very much like, I guess, Canada's Remembrance Day, which is the day that World War II ended for, actually, I guess World War I ended for us. November 11th, 11 a.m. We all stopped for the minute of silence. They also do that. This is their end of World War II. And they did say some ominous stuff about how, we tried to reach out to the West, to the US and Europe, and we were met with resistance and blah, blah, blah. And I'm sure they do. Putin's been kind of a shitty guy for the last however long, 20, 30 years. He's been, their leader for all this time, and elections are not fixed or anything like that. I'm probably gonna get shadow banned for this video, but whatever. And he's trying to reach out like he's some saint and didn't kill a bunch of people and hasn't publicly killed his, I guess, opposition and whatnot. We all know about Navalny and all these guys that have been publicly poisoned. So, I don't know, I'm just going off on a tangent. But basically, he said some ominous stuff about NATO and protecting Russia's history. And when you start to hear stuff like that, it reminds me of a guy with a small mustache. If you know who I'm talking about, he had some weird symbols and stuff on his shoulders and whatnot. So it's not looking good. I think the majority of the world at this point, like, I don't think it's going to come to a world war. I think that it's going to end in Russia being so, I guess, devalued. They're really trying to bring them down through monetary policy, I guess, but just them banning the Russian oil is really spiking the price. I don't know if you've gone out to the gas station in the last few days. It is about $2 a gallon, or $2 a gallon, my gosh, $2 a liter here, which is equivalent after you do the math and everything, the conversions of the US to Canadian, and then the Canadian liter to the US gallon. It's about $6.15-ish, $6-ish for a gallon, I guess would be the equivalent. So gas is super up there, and this is all stemming from this ominous kind of V-Day speech where he's talking about the history and preserving it, and it's not looking good. It is not your favorite project again. It's not just your Jasmy, your Saitama, your Shiba, your Doge, or anything, okay guys? Don't, and this is definitely financial advice, is actually, you know, there's two ways to handle this. Now, I kind of get nervous at this point of the technical analysis, I guess, if you're looking at the charts. And we, like, just as I was filming this, it did drop down to 32,000. It didn't drop below that. It hit just above that. So it looks like we have a strong support line there. If you know anything about technical analysis, the support line is almost basically the bottom where it will bounce back, kind of like a trampoline. You can only go so far down the trampoline before, you know, you're bouncing back up. So we're waiting to see that. If the 32,000 mark is destroyed, we are looking at a $29,000 Bitcoin. That's the next possibility for support line. So keep that in mind. I get nervous because I don't want to, you know, the what if. I wish I had some more insight to this. I knew stuff was coming down bad. I did look at the technical analysis. I knew we were going to come to this point if we hit down that 36,000, and here we are a couple days later. I should have made a video about that and called it out, but hindsight's 2020. But I am telling you, if we do break this line, we will see a $29,000 Bitcoin. And what does that mean? It means if you have any money, if you have any fiat that you or whatever you're sitting on or what, just again, this is not financial advice, but definitely consider putting that into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is it's gonna be okay. Like, this is going to be okay. This is not forever. Bitcoin's not gonna stay here. Your favorite project is not gonna sit here. It's going to be okay. Is it going to be okay tomorrow? No. Is it going to be okay next week? It might rebound next week a little bit. We need some clarity from this crazy Russian man. So I guess when we get that, if there's no crazy attacks today, fingers crossed that we get some clarity and we might be able to get back up to a $40,000 Bitcoin in the next couple of weeks. It does surprise me, even in a week, it does surprise me how quickly this can move up. But don't sell your assets to someone and freak out because the price is down. Everything's down. Like, if you're selling at a loss, like, just, if you can hold on, hold on. It's that basic. It will rebound. Bitcoin will go up to 75,000 next time we see an all-time high. It will reach that, maybe 74,000, we'll see. It's going to be an all-time high sometime this year. Don't freak out. If you have money in crypto that you aren't afraid of losing, that's definitely something that you have to figure out, because if you're using your rent money for this, that's a gamble. You can look at the TA all you want, but stuff like this, I didn't think I would see 32,000. I did not think I'd see a 32,000 resistance this soon anyway. I thought maybe later on, I thought we were going to go on an upward trajectory, but right now it's looking rough. So I put out a quote from Russ. Russ kind of tweeted out yesterday, like, hey guys, it's just bad for everyone. You know, just there's not much you can do, really. So my suggestion is just very much the same. Don't sell your long-term plan for short-term fear. That's what I'm going to leave you with. Remember that, and it's going to be okay. There's a million things going on, but crypto is the future, and you're here super early, so just keep that in mind.